Hi Ron, let's end the project. The project DeepCrack, it's not ended very well because of the system problems that I have. Because of that, I'm going to close that and wait for the time I have better opportunity, better system to continue that. Because of that, let's temporarily end that here and see what we are going to do in the future. So let's see the model 9 and model 10 result, because we are going to improve that in the future, but not now, because nowadays we don't have a system. And now after monetizing the channel, I think maybe I have a better pay, so actually I can write this code, or after I make a little money. Okay, let's see. Pred non-cracked, actual non-cracked, pred non-cracked, actual non-cracked, pred non-cracked, actual non-cracked. Okay, pred cracked, actual non-cracked, pred cracked, actual non-cracked, actual cracked, predicted non-cracked. Okay, you see this model is visually better than the past models, because if you remember, actual cracked, predicted non-cracked is the worst possible for us. That is actual cracked and we predicted non-cracked, and you see it's the lowest number, but maybe you say these two are also no. If you remember, these three models predicted all of them cracked, because of that they are not useful, and this model is giving us some really good result. As you can see, the result and precisions, recall, F1 score, support, accuracy, everything is better. Now let's take a look at the next model, model 10. Let me just model updated and just commit everything. Why there are more than 100 megs? I can't understand. Okay, model 10, model 6, model 7, model 8, model 9, and result. Which one of them is weigh that much? Let's take a look and see the size of them. It's really interesting for me. Okay, it's under 200 kilobyte, under 200 kilobyte. So what is the problem? Model 10, I can't understand what is the problem. You probably should have any problem with uploading them. Let's take a look and see what is the problem. The results is also less than. Let's propertize all of them. 241 megabyte. Which one of them has this size? The model 1 is clear. Model 2 is clear also. Model 3 clear. Model 4 clear. Model 5 clear. Model 6 not bad. Model 7 clear. Model 8 clear. Model 9, oh, it's model 9 and it's model 10. Let's take a look and see what here take that much of a space. Oh, okay, it's this best model H5. Now I understand. Best model H5, I shouldn't predict them to the net. So let's just find them. Best model H5 for 9 and best model H5. I should have best model here. You see, it's something that sometimes in my nerve how to find them, but let's see without one of them. Okay, without one of them I can't. Best model H5. Here, what is the name? Here, what weight so much? Let's see. It's safe. Model 10. Model 10, what is the name of it? Efficient. Let's find that. Efficient. I can find that. I think here. Okay. Now I can commit them. Yes, I can commit them. Let's commit everything and push them. Fatal element to access. Oh, it's because of the internet. I'm going to commit them later, so there is not a problem. Let's take a look at the result we are having here. Model 9, model 10, model 10. Let's take a look at the result here for model 10. Okay, it's same as always. Predicted cracked, actual non-cracked. Predicted cracked, actual non-cracked. Predicted cracked, actual cracked. Okay, it's predicted cracked, actual cracked. See, it's not good. The model 9 is the best model of us. We find that, and in the next video I'm going to create the reports and everything that is possible we need for that. And after that, no, maybe it's nice to add everything here and sum up it once for all. So let's create the everything and end it. Okay, let's wait. We have the result here. Okay, we have the results here. Let's have the results. These are the nicest result. Let's go to report. We don't have anything in report. Let me just connect the internet. Let's go to GitHub. And let's go to ChatGPT and also Copilot. Page not found. Okay. It's because I signed out from the GitHub. Let's sign it again. Okay. Okay, no, not new repository, we have it. Let me just commit everything. Not new repository. Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go to DeepCrack, DeepCreate, or DeepCrack. Okay, add a README. I have a project name DeepCrack, and I create a models of neural network for finding the crack of concrete by looking at the picture. Tell us that the concrete had a crack or not. And these are the results of models. Let me just copy the results of models. And also, these are the commits of project in GitHub. Let's go to the GitHub. It has a lot of commits, I think. 3 commits. Nice. Watch all of them. No, we don't have any commits in this project. I want you to create a README file for this project to put in GitHub. And also I think it's good to give him the model 9. This is the best model we have. Let us copy the result of model 9 and give it to him. I'm going to open it with Visual Studio Code because I don't need to open with another thing for now. These are the results of model 9. Let's see. Okay, now let's go and create it. Okay, let me just copy that. Okay. Commit changes. It's nice. Now let's commit them again. What is the problem? Okay, let's push it. Now we create the result also, and the code is available, and I'm going to end it here. I hope all of you have a nice time. Bye.